Fentanyl, a powerful synthetic opioid. It's responsible for the majority of drug-related deaths in the United States. A tiny amount of fentanyl can be deadly. Just one pill can kill. Illicit drug manufacturers lace counterfeit pills with fentanyl, putting unsuspecting users at risk. Cartels and manufacturers frequently alter the chemical structure of fentanyl to create new, unscheduled variants to circumvent the law. Prior to class-wide scheduling, these novel compounds were not controlled and continued to flow into the U.S. as potentially legal substances. These substances are just as dangerous as fentanyl, but because of temporary scheduling, law enforcement is encountering them less frequently. Much of these fentanyl-related substances are manufactured overseas and smuggled into the United States. Legislation classifying all fentanyl-related substances as Schedule I drugs removes the incentive to produce these new variants. Permanent scheduling of fentanyl-related substances will give law enforcement the authority it needs to dismantle illegal operations and ensure those responsible face justice. Targeted action that prevents drug poisonings can save lives and further protect our loved ones.